Alright, you might be thinking, what am I doing out here again? If you haven't been to the channel, it's a new project of mine, my 2002 the Chevrolet Corvette Z06, aka Project Z06. I did a lot of work on this car, by the way. I went ahead and did the intake, removed the intake, replaced the knock sensor. While doing that, the gaskets got replaced down here, the valley cover got replaced, the gaskets, everything got replaced, except for one thing, which is where I'm going to get to. You can see the intakes removed already. I'm removing the throttle body, and the reason why, at the time, I didn't know, or I didn't think about it, and I want to get things done. There's a gasket, and every gasket, I've done the valve cover gaskets too, they're old, and they get worn out, they start getting leaky because of pressure and time, heat, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. I'm already cleaning up my intake and everything else and the MAP sensor, so why not just go ahead and tackle that as well. So that's why I'm going to show you how to do it. Got the gasket here, fel-pro. All of my gaskets are fel-pro, pretty good stuff. I got that 10mm ratchet and also a torque wrench. So be doing that. I'm also going to take out the hose. So I'll show you how to do it real quick and be right back. Take this off carefully. Everything's old. Everything's old, so you gotta be careful with plastics. I've noticed that they all break. It's annoying. That is heavy with oil, so I'm gonna have to clean up that stuff. Talking about here, look at the amount of flushness. It's almost flush right here. See that? There's a little bit of gap, barely, and that's why I think, this part's sticking out a little bit more, but that could cause an issue. Look at that. Yeah, I did a quick shot, cleaned a little bit of the area with this stuff. This stuff's great. Berryman throttle body cleaner. Let me show you something right now. So check it out. Like I was showing you that gasket. Look at the difference. You see it sticking out now with the new one. I don't know what he's doing, but anyways, look at that difference is sticking out. So that's why I wanted to change it. Probably had a little bit of leakage, possibly. We'll see, but I'm gonna put this on real quick. I'll be right back and I'll show you the 106 inch-pounds is torque rating. No, not really much. It's about 8 foot-pounds. You can see the gaskets right there. So it's not. Now it's tightening. Yeah, can I get the last one from this side? I can't see crap. I got it. That's it. Very light, because you're going in plastic. Alright, now I gotta button up the rest. Hopefully everything's good. And I cleaned the MAP sensor and the filter, and it's way down there. It's like a funky system.